The Word-by-Word Picture Dictionary by Stephen J. Molinsky and Bill Bliss, published by Pearson. Pages 30 and 31. Household Problems and Repairs. A. Plumber. Plumber. 1. The bathtub is leaking. The bathtub is leaking. 2. The sink is clogged. The sink is clogged. 3. The hot water heater isn't working. The hot water heater isn't working. 4. The toilet is broken. The toilet is broken. B. Roofer. Roofer. 5. The roof is leaking. The roof is leaking. C. House painter. House painter. 6. The paint is peeling. The paint is peeling. 7. The wall is cracked. The wall is cracked. D. Cable TV company. Cable TV company. 8. The cable TV isn't working. The cable TV isn't working. E. Appliance repair person. Appliance repair person. 9. The stove isn't working. The stove isn't working. 10. The refrigerator is broken. The refrigerator is broken. F. Exterminator, pest control specialist. Exterminator, pest control specialist. 11. There are in the kitchen. There are in the kitchen. A. Termites. Termites. B. Fleas. Fleas. C. Ants. Ants. D. Bees. Bees. E. Cockroaches. Cockroaches. F. Rats. Rats. G. Mice. Mice. G. Locksmith. Locksmith. 12. The lock is broken. The lock is broken. H. Electrician. Electrician. 13. The front light doesn't go on. The front light doesn't go on. 14. The doorbell doesn't ring. The doorbell doesn't ring. 15. The power is out in the living room. The power is out in the living room. I. Chimney sweep. Chimney sweep. 16. The chimney is dirty. The chimney is dirty. J. Home repair person, handyman. Home repair person, handyman. 17. The tiles in the bathroom are loose. The tiles in the bathroom are loose. K. Carpenter. Carpenter. 18. The steps are broken. The steps are broken. 19. The door doesn't open. The door doesn't open. L. Heating and air conditioning service. Heating and air conditioning service. 20. The heating system is broken. The heating system is broken. 21. The air conditioning isn't working. The air conditioning isn't working. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.